contributes and experience the products and services of Caribbean businesses, local art, craft, indigenous artifacts, and more to wait you. Be sure to keep
Excuse me. This is a Dominica. I'm not really sure what Canada is doing here, but nothing but beautiful Caribbean people. Suriname here. This is one of the booths. There are other booths in this section. I guess it's the Trinidadian booth. I'm gonna go to the Trinidad booth for a while. The Trinidad booth pretty.
But then this Saturday, all roads lead to the biggest summer event to hit Trinidad. Island Beach, the super concert. Right performance there. Shaggy, the sound of the world. Master Montana, let's go. And many others. Yeah. Tickets available at all NLCB outlets and subtextt.com. DJ Melvin on the one and two.
Yeah, I found everything. You came alone?
Yes, I like it for B-Mobile.
I have no idea where B-Mobile is.
You're not helpful.
Alright. Alright, thank you. Fighting for. Down this side because down here is where all the Jamaican booths are at. Oh. busy. There's books. I guess these are Trinidadian arts. Hi, Basu. So you have all sorts of arts and crafts. This area is really nice. I want to do this. The guy's drawing people. There's the lady here. Here she is. He's drawing her. That looks good. I'll do it. Oh, this is my country section. This is the Jamaican section. So you have all sort of art, craft and thing. Oh, nice. Hello. Thank you. I'm just videoing around. Yeah. I've got a freeness there, so I can run from down there. Everybody busy as sell. This place have a cool art. Love the Jamaican section. Most of these things I don't even know what they are. You know, Jamaicans are always serious unless they're spending money. So it's a money country. These are African weirds. Good pass. This is Guyana. Just walking around the place like a madman, just videoing. I'm not gonna do any interviews because I'm not that type of person. That's not a good something also. Remember of the organic stuff then. You know them have these something in here. I think it's a good look. Beautiful Caribbean people all over the place. picture of you? Okay. And the song right here with the background. Right. Yeah, so far, this is my third visit. Jamaica. I'll just walk it.
I love you. Now this one is entitled Driver. Now this one young people really related to, but I didn't tell you from the bottom of my heart. In Ghana we say blue, in Trinidad I get to say bun or horn. Ladies, please don't give us bun or horn or blue because we men can't do that. Y'all don't even realize men can only give blue. But when ladies give us man those are the best, we say Jesus
Let's go around again.
I really want to get to meet my girlfriend. She's the man that to see. Get to put on the gas, with jackets away. Drive on up my lady. I really need to get to meet my girlfriend. She's the man that to see. Get to put on, mix it up. As I enter the car, we never get far when police pull me over. Lock me a bed, Jesus Christ, Mr. Police Officer. Me you trying to see my sweetheart. It's been a long time coming and we never had a loving song. We really want to meet her. The man look on me like he never had no pity, but him still not a kind of. Now as we head for destination, approaching the harbor bridge. The car tire gets flat and we never got no jack me and the man start to quarrel. That's when my car drive and I make my late. I really want to get up with my girlfriend. Please don't hesitate. Press your foot on the gas, you can't make your way. Drive and I make my late. I really need to get up with my girlfriend. Please don't hesitate. Press your foot on the gas, hey. Take out my cell phone, figure link and next year. Realize that my credit just done. I'm wondering what to do. Yes, me want to see my woman, but I want to find the next man. But when me think God was on the side and she can't the next line. Yes, I know the feel so nice. I mean she told her I change me whole body run cool. Right away me know something me hear a man voice in the back room. Jim screeching at my house, they are throw down. When she hang up the phone and the blood a boil up, me know say she and the next man at home. That's when mama drive and I make me late. I really want to get up with my girlfriend. Please no man hesitate. Press your foot on the gas, we can't make your way. Drive and I make me late. I really need to get up with my girlfriend. Please no man hesitate. Press your foot on the gas. I beg a drop from my arse scared rider. As me reach home climbing on the veranda. I make a big mistake, now me get my heart break. Should I never been through the little window. Best friend Harry, I'm a woman dressed up in her underwear. Skin to skin touch, rubbing in the foot. My heart in a two, tell me what I'm gonna do. Guess I should have never passed through, me should have never bought. Drive and I make my leg. That's driver people. Now driver, like I said, more young people related to it. Now everywhere we go, despite of whatever we go through good, we go through bad, people will always talk. You can't stop people from talking. And bad mind is a thing, they're all over the world, right? So I did this one because sometimes things can really get to you where people fight you down for nothing. This one is entitled, Give Me Some Space. Let's go. Oh yeah, give I an eye strength to sustain above oppressors. And to fight against the evil that dwelleth wearing and amongst me. Let those who find happiness in iniquity be burnt in hell. Give I strength to move on and tread along these streets. Trinidad, no evil shall prosper. No weapon formed against we can prosper. Them come with them fake ways and them fake smile and them hypocrite style we no like. I'm like a dog without a bone and them still want me something. Life over there to me say good over evil. Give me some space. I want to free up myself from some space. I want to free up myself from my so-called friends, them and them bad mind ways, them dirty heart ways, like them. Hold on, give I strength to move on and trot along in these streets. Trinidad, no evil shall prosper. No weapon form against me can prosper. Them come with the fake ways, fake smile and the hypocrite style me not like. I'm like a dad without a bone, and them still want me something. Life over there to me say good over evil. Give me some space. Take it Trinidad and Tobago. My name is Mark Watson from Guyana. I love you, that was my time.
Yeah. Wow. Nice, right? Representing the 592, let's put it up, let's put it up, let's put it up, let's put our hands together for Mr. Mark Batson, representing Guyana. Come on, God, Mark, y'all can do way better than that. The man came and he gave us, his heart. Well done, Mark. Thank you very much, representing the 592. So once again, we would like to welcome you to the Grand Market. This is Carry Festa 14. This is the Grand Market stage, and we are in the streets of the Caribbean.
Welcome to the streets of the Caribbean. Please visit the various country booths and experience the products and services of Caribbean businesses, local art, craft, indigenous food, artifacts, and more.